Hi, I'm Daniela. I'm a professional wig stylist. I'm a salon owner. I have a salon in Texas called Wig Trend, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to wear a high ponytail. A lot of times when women walk into the salon, they are told or they're learning through YouTube, what I like calling YouTube University. They're learning that you have to have a handmade, 100% human hair, 100% hand-tied wig in order to wear it in a ponytail, which is totally false. I'm going to use a basic brush. This is just a regular brush. It's a wig brush. And I have pinned this wig onto a mannequin. But if you don't have a mannequin at home, and I understand that you probably might not, you can do this on your head. It takes a little bit of practice, but I don't want to discourage you. This is something that you can definitely learn with a couple times that you try. So I'm taking this and I'm just going to comb the hair and raise it to the top of the wig. I'm going to work with my hands here to control the hair. And I'm keeping in mind that I want to keep this as low as possible. Because this is definitely an area when you put the wig on that you want to be conscious that you haven't pulled the hair too tight. You can see why it's a little bit easier to do this on your head or on a mannequin. And it sounds a little awkward, but if you were actually wearing this, you kind of have to tilt your head over, which sounds funny, but it's kind of like if you had long hair of your own, you kind of tilt yourself to put the hair where it needs to be. And again, as I'm raising the hair to the top of the wig, I'm just holding this back here. You can leave a few tresses out if you like. And another thing I want to remind you of is when you're putting a wig up like this, it's a little bit heavier. So you have to find the way to secure it so that it's most comfortable to you once you put it on top of your head. And I'm going to be using just a basic hairband. This is just a regular little hairband. Okay. This is where you kind of have to decide if you want to wear it in a ponytail. Just like this. And as you can see, it's gonna stay in that design. Again, when you're looking at the piece here, this has tiny little baby hairs that I've cut into it. And if you want to see the tutorial on how to do baby hairs, we have that available. I did a tutorial on how to create baby hairs in the hairline here. You would do the same technical cutting. You would use the same pattern of cutting. You would just be doing it at the nape of the neck. So again, if you're interested in that tutorial, please go to René Paris on YouTube, and always remember to subscribe. Another nice little trick that I've learned, if you want to make the look a little bit more dressy, you can get a little comb. This is just like a little butterfly comb. The one thing that I have learned about butterfly combs is when you're pressing them, if it doesn't break when you're doing that pretty aggressively, it's gonna be good for the wig. And the reason I say that is because a lot of times you can get some that are not as well made, if you will. They don't grip as tight, and when you start doing this, the comb falls apart. So just play with your combs to see if you feel like it's gonna be something that's gonna be able to hold this amount of hair. And what I'm doing here is I'm just grabbing the hair underneath and clipping it. And that's just a nice little look that's a little bit different. I'm going to leave a little bit of bang down. And that's another look that you can create. That's a nice casual look. You could dress it up, dress it down. You could add hair accessories. But again, this is just a nice quick way to put up one of your basic construction wigs into a ponytail or a really casual updo. I'm going to actually put this on and I'm gonna show you how to secure that. And I'm so used to wearing wigs that I actually don't wear pins, but I am gonna show you the best way to pin it because I understand not everyone's been wearing wigs as long as I have. And let me just show you what I've done here again so that you can see that this is not 100% hand tied. It's not hand knotted through and through from the hairline to the nape. This is a basic construction wig. This has lace front. If you notice, I'm just wearing a regular wig cap. Okay, as you can see, there's no pins. There's no pins, but I understand if you want to feel more secure, you're going to take bobby pins. I'm going to just demonstrate one. This is just a basic bobby pin. And I'm going to look for a space here in the wefts that you can put a pin through. And you're just going to take wig with wig cap. And you just want to make sure that you don't see the bobby pin. And as I'm going to turn around so I can show you here, hopefully. As you can see, this looks very natural. It's got little baby hairs all the way around. You don't see netting, you don't see foundation. And then I'm just going to leave the ponytail to hang down like this. Now I'm going to raise this up. I want a little bit dressier look. I'm going to try to comb my hair for work here. Now I'm going to take again my comb. And again, always make sure that you pull down on the nape here so that it fits comfortable, and when you move it doesn't fall. So if you wanted to, you could always take this and have fun with it. The important thing is that this is a very nice way to put your hair up. So have fun with your pieces, play with them, become more confident and comfortable. So make sure that you go to reneeparis.com to get more information on our wigs. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and please remember we have lots of additional wonderful tutorials like this one coming at you. Thank you for watching.